Hi students, very good morning. You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it. And to get more videos, please like it and share it. Now, see here on the screen you can see the page and the lesson name is written here. Already the explanation of this lesson it is uploaded on our channel. To understand this lesson, please see this. The link is given in the description box. Yes, the name of the lesson is announcement and this is the lesson number 6. Here exercises given for us to do. This is things to do. First is the lesson name. Yes. What is our question 1, dear student? Choose a suitable heading for each announcement from those given below. Yes. Here we have to choose suitable heading. Yes, for the announcement. Now first one is what? Change in school hours. Yes, the change in school hours given here. Tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, the school will close an hour earlier. See here. Tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, the school it will close an hour earlier. Yes, as the teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. Why it will close earlier? Because teacher they have important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. Yes, this is the thing they have given. Change in school hours. Yes. Now we will go to the next one. Cleanliness. It has been observed by the head boy and head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. See, it has been observed by whom? Head boy and head girl. What is observed that the certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hour up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. This was about cleanliness which I have written it here for you, dear student. Go on next page. Now third one is that storytelling competition. What is the third one? Storytelling competition. The school has organized a storytelling competition for classes 5th, 6th and 7th from 21st to 25th of July. The competition will be held in the school hall at 10 in the morning. Children may select. The subjects are given here. What is given? What they have given here? What school has organized a storytelling competition for which classes? 5th, 6th and 7th. And date they have given from 21st to 25th of July. Yes, and venue they have given. Where will it held? It will held the school hall at 10. Yes, in the morning. And the subjects are given for children to select to choose, which are the subject of fable, a folk tale, fairy tale, true story, funny story. Yes, these are the subject. And the prizes will be given for each category. The time limit is 3 to 5 minutes. Those who wish to participate may contact Mrs. Sanjana Mohite for other details. And the prize it will given for the each category. Okay, 3 prizes will be there. The time limit for student is 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, and those they wish to participate, they have to contact with whom? Mrs. Sanjana Mohite. Yes, they must register their names with her before the 16th of July, and they have to give their names. They have to register their names before 16th of July to Mrs. Sanjana Mohite. Now fourth one is that lost and found, that is also every school has it. A cycle key with a blue chain has been found on the ground. What is found? A cycle key, and it has a blue chain. Yes, where it is found? On this school ground. Whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto. And who has lost it? That student has to contact with clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and see it if it is belongs to him or her, and they have to get it checked. Now next is warning. Yes, construction work to extend the school building will start next week. They are going to construct their school building, and the work of it is going to be start next week. Yes, all students are cautioned not to cross over the fence at the construction site, and the students are strictly warned that they will not go at the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury. If anyone go there will get hurt, then it will cause an injury. Please stay away from that fence, and that area student have to be stay away. Understood about the warning? Now football match on Sunday 12th July 2015, there is a football match between classes 8th and 9th. See, football match is given here on Sunday 12th July 2015. There is a football match between which classes? Class 8 and class 9 on the school ground. Yes, and the match it will begin at what time? 9 am. All the students are invited to come and cheer their favorite team. Please come on time so that the players are not distracted, and those students they are coming there to see the match, they have to come in time though, so the players they will not get distracted. And that is about football match. Yes, here we have finished the exercise of this lesson number 6 and announcement. This all questions you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you.